Dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I have come with this video on chapter sets. In this chapter sets, I have taken exercise 2.1 and discussing the problems from 5 to 8. Before going in detail, do share this video to your friends and classmates so that they also can use it as you do now. Okay, children, let us go in details. Fifth question. Write the following sentences in roster form. So in previous video I have discussed about roster form. So what is the roster form? Yes, in roster form we write the set such that all the elements are exhibited. Means we can clearly identify all the elements. Okay, let us see the first bit under this. B is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So it should be a natural number and that natural number should be less than 6. That means we know natural numbers means starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Isn't it? So in that case the value should be less than 6. That means it should B contains the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and within 6? No, because it is smaller than 6. That means values exist only up to 5. Right? So B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next second bit. C is equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So here 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number means, yes, the natural numbers in generally starts from 1 and goes on unlimited. So here 2-digit natural numbers means starts with 10, isn't it? So from 10 to 99. So numbers starting from 10 and ends with 99. All are 2-digit natural numbers, isn't it? So there is one condition. Next, here we are giving sum of its digits is 8. That means among these 2-digit natural numbers we have to write down the natural numbers such that those 2 digits total is 8. So if we just check, we'll give an example. Suppose if we take 17, here we have 2 digits 1 and 7. So what is the sum of these 2 digits? It is 8, isn't it? Next, if we take 26, so in 26 2 digits we have 2 and 6. Sum of these 2 digits is 8. So in this way you have to write all the numbers, natural numbers whose sum of digits is 8. So that means C contains 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80, isn't it? So in this we take each number, if we add up the total will be 8. Next, third bit. D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Divisor of 60. So in order to work out this, you first write the 60 as product of two numbers. All possible ways you write down. That means 60 can be written as 1 into 60. Next 2 into 30. Next 3 into 20. Next 4 into 15. Next 5 into 12. Next 10 into 6, isn't it? Next, so these values repeats, isn't it? So just interchanges. So we just check all the values existing in this page. Among those, some are composite numbers, some are prime numbers, and one is the neither prime nor composite, isn't it? So among these, now select the prime number. What is a prime number? Number which is having 1 and itself as factors, or in other ways, it cannot be divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. So such numbers we identify among those pairs. So in that case, we'll have D is equal to 2, 3 and 5. So these three are prime numbers which are dividing 60, isn't it? Next one, fourth. E is equal to set of values such that X is an alphabet in better. So this E should contain an alphabet in the word better. So what it will be? So B is one element, E is one element, and T is one element. So this T will not be written again, E also will not be taken. Next R. So that means B, E, T and R. So four elements contains. See, E is equal to set B, E, T, R. Next one. This question, write the following sets in the set builder form. Set builder form, that means write the set mentioning the property of the elements. So in this form, we do not identify clearly what elements exist, but we can see a statement, general statement, which is representing the property of the elements that exist in that set. So that form is called set builder form. Let's see the first bit. Yes, here. So this is the roster form. Set 3, 6, 9 and 12. So they are the elements existing. So what type of elements are these? Or what type of values are these? We just carefully observe. These are multiples of 3, isn't it? 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, isn't it? So starting from 3 ones turns to 3 fours. Therefore, we can write a set of all x such that x is equal to 3 into n, 3 into n, some value n. So we are generalizing, general term we are writing here. And we define this n now here, where n is less than 5 and n belongs to natural numbers set. Isn't it? So this is one form. Secondly, and this can also be written as n less than or equal to 4 also you can write the second form. Okay, that means set of all x such that x is equal to 3n where n less than or equal to 4 and n belongs to n. So that is the second way of writing. Next one, set 2, 4, 1, 16, 8, 16, 32. Now here if you see the elements, this is 2 ones, 2 twos, it is 8, 2 into 2 into 2, here 16 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and here 5 twos. If you multiply, getting, that means x is equal to, so set of all x such that x is equal to 2 power n, where n is less than 6, n belongs to capital N. And this can be written another way also, that is set of all x such that x is equal to 2 power n where n less than equal to 5 and n belongs to capital N. So here we are writing strictly less than 6, and this can be also written as n less than equal to 5. So set builder form is not a unique form. it may be more than one form. So we are able to write, or we can write in different forms without changing its meaning. Okay, so by practice we can get perfect in writing set builder forms for given sets. Next, third one, set 5, 25, 125, 625. Here if we just check up 5, this is 25 means 5 into 5, this is 5 square. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5, is 5 cube. 625 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 625, that is 5 to the power of 4. So we can write as set of values such that x is equal to 5 power n, where n less than 5 and n belongs to capital N. And another way you can write as n less than equal to 4 also you can write. See, set of values such that x is equal to 5 power n, where 0 less than n less than or equal to 4. Okay, and n belongs to n. Next, fourth one, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. 100. So that is, just carefully observe, this is 1 square, this is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, etc. and 100 is 10 square. So these are all squared numbers, isn't it? So that is set of values such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to n and n less than 11. The same thing can be written as n less than or equal to 10 also. You see, set of values such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to n and n less than or equal to 10. Okay, so in this way we can write set builder form in more than one way, that you should observe. Okay, now seventh question, write the following sets in roster form. First question, bit a is equal to set of values such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So natural number should be more than 50, that means 51, 52, 53, etc. But smaller than 100 means less than 100, that means we can write up to 99 only, isn't it? So a is equal to set 51, 52, 53, etc. 98, 99. Next one, b is equal to set of values such that x is an integer and x square is equal to 4. So x should be an integer, that means this contains negative values, positive values and 0. And second condition is x square should be equal to 4. That means from this we take this equation, x square is equal to 4, from this we get x is equal to root 4. That means root 4 means minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 exists in b and 2 also exists in b because x is an integer. If we can write as b is equal to set minus 2 comma 2. Next, third one, d is equal to set x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So d is a set containing letters in the word loyal. That means d contains L, O, Y, A. And this L will not be taken because in set element, one type of element taken only one time, isn't it? So d is equal to L, comma, Y, comma, O, comma, and A. Next one, match the roster form with set builder form. So here we have two sets. On left side, set 1, 2, 3, 6. Second one, set 2, 3. Third one, set M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Next, fourth one, set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the four sets given in roster form. Let us see set builder forms. Right side, first one, A, set of values such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Second one, set of values such that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. Third one, set of all x such that x is a natural number and a divisor of 6. Fourth one, set of all x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. Now let us see one by one. So here 1, 2, 3, 6. So if we just observe the right side, A and C. A is set of all x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So divisor of 6 means, so 1 is a divisor, 2 is a divisor, 3 is a divisor, and 6 is a divisor. But here these are all not prime numbers because 6 is a composite number and 1 is neither prime or composite. So first question, so first one A is not suitable. Let us go to the C. Set of all x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So it's a natural number, means can take all irrespective of composite or prime. So this C can be matched to first one. So first one is matched to C. Next, set 2, 3. So 2 and 3 are prime numbers, isn't it? So these two can divide 6. So second one can be matched to A. Next, third one. Set MATHEICS. So here just observe that here we have so many letters as elements and maximum letters existing in this word mathematics. So by observation we can match. So third one can be matched to D. Next, fourth one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So set of all x is an odd natural numbers more than 10. Odd natural numbers. Okay. So odd 9 is number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are all these are odd numbers. So you can match this. So fourth one can be matched to B. So that's the end of this video. And exercise 2.1 is completed. So I will be back with other concepts in the next video. Thank you one and all.